I hate to say this, computer. Your sites are boring and you are spending way too much time on it. But today, I'm going to change that for you. Welcome to episode 5 of sharing everything that I'm learning. I used to be just like you. I would spend several hours trying to create perfect presentation. I would change color combinations, switch boxes, resize image, even use different fonts, but still it doesn't feel right. But one thing I know is the content is solid because I wrote them, but the design just feels off. Sometimes charts that are supposed to make numbers, facts, and figures clear end up looking messy. Bullet points that are supposed to simplify ideas, they always look crowded, like there is too much information. Even when I added icons, diagrams, and images, it felt like I was just fixing a patch instead of actually communicating the idea of the content. And the worst part is, after spending so much time on redesigning the slide, you feel frustrated because you have almost made no progress in improving the presentation. So I started looking out for inspiration or tools that will help me create a better slide, including AI. That's what I always do. Look for AI tools that will make my life easier. Then I found Gamma. Gamma is an AI tool that helps you bring all your ideas to life. It can transform everything from making your boring slides look engaging and dynamic, whether it is creating professional, casual, corporate, or business presentations. You can also create website interface, social media posts, almost anything. I'd leave you to let your imagination run wild when you eventually try this AI tool. But today, I'll be putting you on the slide presentation feature. Once I registered, I created a text-only presentation slide so that I can push the platform to see the level of details and attention it takes into consideration when creating your slide for you. I didn't ask for anything fancy, just clean up the slide, make it readable and engaging. That was all. Well, when the result came out, it was perfect. Nearly perfect. I see how to make some movement here and there. But it saved me a whole lot of headache that I would naturally go through when creating slides. And just like that, bullet points are more visually appealing, the charts are now simplified, and the numbers that really matter are more visible. Just by taking a look at the data, you would understand the information that has been passed here. Even the text-heavy slides got me covered. They have now been redesigned in different shapes and sizes, and also with the perfect image to match the information that is being communicated on the screen. One takeaway I had after reviewing the site a couple of times is that you couldn't tell that it was developed by AI because the presentation flowed better, and it wasn't just about creating the perfect design. It was about clarity. It was about making your presentation easy on the eyes and so that people can understand what you are talking about. So if you are creating a presentation for that session, business proposal, or a job interview that you're worried about, then look no further than Canva, because it doesn't just create a perfect slide for you, it creates a slide that is clear and also your ideas are visually appealing. I'll see you on the next one.